If you're a homeowner, a refinance is a great way to make the most of your mortgage. A refinance allows you to replace your current home loan with a new one, often with more favorable terms. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of a refinance. A refinance allows you to adjust your interest rates to current market rates. That can mean lowering your monthly interest payments and possibly saving thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. You can also pull cash out of your home's equity for any personal projects. And with a refinance, you can reduce your mortgage term to limit the amount of time it takes to pay off your mortgage in full. A refinance is ideal for homeowners who want to consolidate debt into a low-interest home loan, get cash for home improvements, or maybe pay for a vacation. They're also great for homeowners who have high-interest mortgages. Are you ready to talk with a mortgage professional about the benefits of refinancing? With branches across the country and 30 years of mortgage experience, Homebridge can help. Contact Homebridge today to learn how refinancing can help you reach your goals.